Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to simplify and evaluate following rational numbers. So let's start. These are the evaluate questions of rational number. First is 3 by 7 minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Friends, we will need to solve this. First we'll solve this part and then we are going to solve this part and finally we'll perform the division. So let's start it. So here you can cross multiply simple this. Here 3 3s are 9 you can take, minus here 1 into 7 you can take, and in the denominator you have to multiply 7 3s are 21. Simultaneously, friends, you can perform this part also. Here you need to add up these two rational numbers, so you can add up by cross multiply also. Here 2 into 6 plus 5 into 9 you can take, and here we need to multiply 9 into 6. So friends, let's write down 9 minus 7 upon 21 divided by 12 plus 45 divided by 54. After this, friends, you can just do the subtraction here. 9 minus 7 here 2 by 21. You need to divide it by 57 here. 12 plus 45 is nothing but 57 upon 54. Now we have reached to this division of rational number. We know it very well how to do. We need to keep the first rational number as it is, that is 2 by 21, and we'll change this division sign into multiplication and we'll take the reciprocal of this 57 upon 54. It will become 54 upon 57. Friends, if possible you can divide it. Here you can divide with the same number, like 21 and 54 will go with the 3's table. Here you can go 3 7s are 21, here 3 1s are, and here 3 8s are. So again you can see here 18 and 57 will go by 3. So 3 6s are, and here you can say 3 19s are. So friends, here you will get a 12 upon 19 into 7. So what is that? 12 upon 133. So this is your final answer, 12 upon 133. Now we'll move to the next question. We need to find out the reciprocal of 3 by 11 into 5 by 6 minus 9 by 22 divided by 3 by 4. So let's perform it. We'll first of all simplify this bracket. So friends, it is a multiplication of these rational number. You can simplify here. 3 1s are, and it is 3 2s are. So here left 1 into 5 divided by 11 into 2. This is in one bracket, minus 9 by 22. Friends, it is a division of rational number. We'll keep first rational number as it is, change this division sign into multiplication, and take the reciprocal of second fraction or second rational number. Here 3 by 4 it is there, it will become 4 by 3. So here 5 by 22 will get, minus, you can simplify here 3 1s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are 9, and friends here 2 1s are 2, and here 2 2s are 4 you can say. If you see carefully, here 3 into 2 is there, so 3 multiplied by 2 will get a 6, and here 11 multiplied by 1, that is you will get 11. Friends, we need to take a LCM of this 22 and 11, that is nothing but 22 itself. So just you need to multiply this by 2 by 2. So here you will get 5 by 22 minus 12 upon 22. Friends, just write down common denominator once, and 5 minus 12. One positive integer, one negative integer, you will get a subtraction, that is of bigger number sign again. So minus 7 upon 22 is this answer. But you need to get the read question again. Find reciprocal of. We need to get a reciprocal. So friend, after reciprocal, after taking reciprocal, we will get, we need to just flip it. Minus 7 upon 22 will get 22 upon minus 7. So friend, this is 22 upon minus 7. This is a final answer. That means the reciprocal of this question. So friends, now move to the next question. We need to evaluate these rational number. So first of all, we'll observe the question here. Minus 8 by minus of 13 plus minus 9 by 26 plus 30 upon minus 39 plus 1. So here we can see these denominators are unequal. So we'll make them equal. First of all, you can see here friends, minus of 8 upon minus 13. It is actually a positive rational number. If we cancel this minus sign from numerator and denominator, it becomes just 8 upon 13. And here plus minus, we can write minus of 9 upon 26. And this is 30 upon minus of 39. To make it in a standard form, denominator should be positive and it should be in reduced form. But here you can give this minus sign here, plus minus, here it will become minus of 30 upon 39 plus 1. Plus 1 is nothing but plus 1 by 1. So now we'll take the LCM of all these. So friends, LCM of 13, 26 and 39. We'll go with the table of 13. Here 13 ones are, 13 twos are, 13 threes are. So that is, you need to write LCM is nothing but 78. 13 twos are into 3, that is 78. So now we'll try to make these all denominator convert into 78. So friends, we'll write 8 upon 13. So this step now you need to do mentally, that 78 you need to divide by 3. You will get 6. So means you need to multiply 6 by 6. Minus 9 upon 26 is there. So 26 you need to multiply by something, you will get 78. This step you can do mentally. Just remember 78 do divide by 26. You will get 3. So 3 by 3 you can get minus 30 upon 39. Friends, 39 twos are 78 is there. So you can multiply into 2 by 2. Plus 1 by 1 is there. So now to make it 78 you need to multiply by 78 by 78. Now friends, multiply the numerator. 8 6 are, we'll get a 48 upon 78. Minus 9 3s are 27 upon 78. Minus 32s are 60 upon 78. And plus 1 by plus 78 upon 78. So friends, now all denominators are equal. Write down these denominators once. And you need to do the arithmetic operations in the numerator. Here addition and subtraction is there friends. We'll start from the left hand side. 48 minus 27 will get 21. And here one negative integer is there and one positive integer is there. We'll do the subtraction. 78 minus 60 will do. We'll get a plus 18. Bigger number signature is there. Bigger number sign will be there, okay? So here denominator 78 will be there. Now just do the addition of 18 and 21. We'll get a 39. So 39 upon 78. Friends, 39 ones are 39. 39 twos are 78 is there. So finally you will come to 1 by 2. It is half. So after evaluating this, you will get a 1 by 2. Now we'll move to the next question, that is 3 1 by 6 plus x is equal to 19 upon 42. Here you need to find out the value for this x. So first we'll start. We'll convert this mixed into the improper one. Here 3 6 are 18. Plus 1, that is 19 by 6 plus x, which is equal to, you will get 19 upon 42. If you not write this, then also it's okay. So x value you need to find out. So x is equal to, friends, you can write 19 upon 42. It is in addition with this 19 upon 6. We'll shift it to this side. We'll get minus of 19 upon 6. What we have done, friend, we need to find out the unknown variable x. So we'll write 19 upon 42. And this 19 by 6 is in addition. We'll send it that side, become minus of 19 upon 6. Afterwards, we'll take a LCM of 42 and 6. Again it is 42 only. So 19 upon 42 minus 19 by 6 into 7s. Why 7s? Because 6 7s are 42 you will get. It will become equal denominator. So 19 upon 42 minus, friends, 19 sevens are, that is 133 upon 42. We'll get a common denominator 42. 19 minus 133 is there. So friends, here one positive integer, one negative integer is there. We'll perform a subtraction. After subtraction, we'll see that we'll get a 114, that is of negative, upon 42. So friends, here get 114, that is divided by 42. We'll go with the table of 3 because it is 3's divisibility. 4, 5, 6 addition. Here 4 plus 2 6. So we can get 3 1s are 3, 4s are 12. Again we can go for 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 30. 3 8s are 24. Minus of 38 upon 14. Friends, again we can reduce it. We can divide it by 2's table. 2 7s are, again 19s are. So minus of 19 upon 7 is there. Friends, if you want to write down, you can write it into improper one. That is, numerator is greater. So we can write into mix. 7 2s are 14. And afterwards we are going to left with the 5. So 5 by 7. This is your final answer. Minus 2, 5 by 7. Hope you have understood. This is the x value. Thank you.